After dealing with Riot Client disconnects and crashes myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. This video provides the ultimate guide to fix Riot Client disconnect and crash right after champ select. First, we tackle network stability because an unstable connection often causes the client to lose sync, leading to disconnections or freezing during critical game moments. Ensuring a robust and clear internet pathway prevents these communication breakdowns. Next, we focus on client and game file integrity. Corrupted or outdated game files can create internal conflicts within the Riot client, causing it to unexpectedly shut down or fail to load properly. Verifying these files ensures the game runs on a healthy, consistent build. Then, system and driver updates are crucial. Outdated graphics drivers or an old operating system can cause compatibility issues, especially with demanding applications like the Riot Client, leading to instability or outright crashes. Keeping your system current ensures all components work together smoothly. Finally, we address firewall and antivirus interference. Sometimes, security software mistakenly identifies the Riot Client as a threat, blocking its network access or critical processes. Properly configuring these settings allows the client to operate without being hindered by protective measures. These approaches collectively ensure your Riot Client runs smoothly, preventing those frustrating interruptions.